Yes, students, finally coming to treatment of cancer. Okay, let us see what all are the treatment or the treatment methods for cancer. One thing remember, cancer can be cured completely, but condition is it should be detected at the early stage. At the advanced stage, it is quite difficult to control, but at the early stage, if it is detected, it can be completely cured. This we have to remember. The study of cancer or the biology related to cancer is called as oncology, and one who studies that is called as oncologist. Right. Now these are the different method of treatment. First one, surgery, surgical method. If at all a tumor is formed, it can be surgically removed. That is called as surgical method, surgery. Second is chemotherapy. What is chemotherapy? Chemotherapy is providing some kind of drugs, injections, okay, to treat or to control the growth of tumor or to make the death of these tumor cells. And that is chemotherapy. But chemotherapy has lots of side effects like hair loss, anemia, and so on. Third one is radiotherapy. Radiotherapy is exposing these tumors or cancerous cells to some kind of radiations. When they are exposed to radiations are made to fall on that particular tumor and that particular tumor is destroyed. That is radiotherapy. And final one is immunotherapy. What is that immunotherapy? Generally, our immune system, okay, fails to avoid this disease, okay, to diagnose properly, because we have immune system, but in this case it fails. Why? For that we have one technique called as immunotherapy. See, in this immunotherapy what we do, we inject or we introduce some genes, like we call them as alpha interferon. Alpha interferons, okay. Such proteins are injected into the body which activates our immune system, and thereby it tries to control the disease of cancer. So these are the four methods. Sometimes multiple methods are also used to cure this disease or to control these diseases. Thank you.